Okay, so there was a blockage here at 1609, Elliot. I ran my machine, opened it up, got my machine a ways, and then started vacuuming debris out of this clean out. And then I cambered it, and I realized there was more than just debris, like it was more than just sand or concrete even. And I started, pulled the coupling off the stack, the Fernco, and reached my hand in there and started pulling out pieces of cast iron from the stack. Like I pulled out a piece of the coupling, like the cast iron coupling, and then there were just random chunks of cast iron in there too. So then there's this. We got it drained. We drained the bathtub. There's probably some cast iron there. There's a big piece of cast iron there. And this is all the stuff I couldn't get with a vacuum because it was around the bend. And I can't push any further. But I'd recommend that all this shit gets jetted out because there's still a whole bunch in there that I can't reach with my hand. Alright.